Hey guys, this is Yash and I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about some of the truths and how you can actually start your online business, and is it actually real? Can you actually make that much amount of money as these gurus tell you to? So we are going to cover all of these things, and let's get straight to the point. The truth is, yes, you can make a lot of money. Every business model works. So first thing is that every business model works. This is your first lesson. Every business model works. Literally remember this point. There's no such specific business model that is working. There's nothing such as saturated business model. There's nothing like that. Trust me, every business model works. I've seen individuals continuously asking me and then thinking for hours and hours and days and even years. Every guru will try to force their business model on you. They will try to convince you that their business model is only the one that is actually working nowadays, because they want to sell their courses to you. They want to sell their specific courses of a particular business model. But if you understand that every business model works, you will specifically not purchase their courses and their business will actually go down. So they are trying to convince you this bullshit that some business models are oversaturated, some business models are seriously not going to work, but that's not the case. So this is the first lesson. The second thing is that you should just start. Literally just start. So as you have learned that every business model works, now you gotta just choose a business model. You can choose any one of them, anyone that actually suits your circumstances. There are some which require a lot of money to start, but there are literally many that can be started for absolutely free. You just need to start a business model. There must be a business model that you already know about. Just start it. You can start organic dropshipping, you can start affiliate marketing, you can start content creation, and everything works. And how to make it work? You need to force it to work. You need to force this universe. I teach it to everyone. You need to force this universe to actually reward you with whatever you want. Just imagine that you have started a YouTube channel, and if you actually stick to it and you force that YouTube channel to work, you refuse to lose, then you cannot lose. It's the same with every business model. Let's say that you started dropshipping. You failed first month, second month you failed, the third month you failed. You are just learning stuff, and you refuse to lose, you refuse to quit. You're just continuously failing, but you're still going on and on and on. And now you have learned a lot of stuff, and then it works miraculously, and now you appear as an overnight success to other individuals. So that means that you need to force a particular business model to work. Just stick to it. Make it work. There's nothing like it's not working. So this is the second truth that actually resonates with the first truth, that every business model works, but only if you force it to. You need to force it. Just remember this word. You need to force it. It's not like you're just trying not your best, you're just trying out. It's nothing like trying. It has to work. There is no other choice. Then it will work. So you need to alter your mindset with this thing. If your family is in danger and you have to make $10,000 no matter what, it should be legal, and it should be from a particular business model. Now watch your thinking change. You can make a lot of money online. You're just not doing it. You're just too lazy to start. You should be working every second. Every second that you're awake, you should be actually putting up some things, trying new websites, try putting up new product, try selling up new things, try something else, try outreaching to individuals. You need to be continuously working. That's how you eliminate self-doubt. So now let's come to the third topic, how to eliminate anxiety, self-doubt, and how to actually not get confused. The best way to actually eliminate anxiety, depression, sadness, anything from your life completely is to work every second. There's nothing like I want to relax. Trust me, you don't want to relax. If I tell you to choose a business model and work on it every day of the month for a full 1 month, try your very best. Every second that you're awake, you're working. Then trust me that you will be far way more ahead than any other guy. But if I tell you to just relax for a month, if I tell you to rest for a month, do nothing, just chill out, trust me, you cannot. You will start to lose your mind very soon. So this proves that your body actually wants work. It doesn't want rest. Just think less and do more. That's the best way to eliminate any kind of self-doubt. If you are doubting yourself, will this work or not? Am I doing the right thing? You are just continuously thinking. Thinking is not taking action. You need to take action, bare action, literally move things in real time. Get one website out, get new products in, hire new members of staff, get a better copywriting on your web page. When you're continuously working, when you see these millionaires and these top level individuals, you see that they're always working. They could be sitting on a beach in Bali or some Maldives, and they will be still working. They will be still on their laptop and on their phone doing calls and meetings. That's how they work. But you just want to sit and relax for let's say one more day, this is my cheat day. You don't need cheat days. You don't need to rest, because this universe will actually give you rest. There will be some days when you will be sick. There will be some days when someone from your relatives will die and you have to go to his funeral. Those are your rest days. There will be some days that you have to travel somewhere and there's network issues, so you cannot work anyways. So those are your rest days, and this universe actually gives it to you automatically, so you don't need to rest. And I say that after watching this video, you need to get off YouTube and actually start something. Start to do something. Just do. Don't think. Stop thinking, start working, and watch your life change. And if you have already watched this video to the end, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Good luck. Peace out.